and let's set off on this unforgettable adventure together. Our first destination takes us to the City of Lights, Paris. The Eiffel Tower, a beacon of engineering genius, pierces the sky, offering unparalleled views of the city below. Below its grandeur, the Louvre Museum awaits, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, a testament to human creativity. Imagine strolling along the Champs-Élysées, the air filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread and the gentle strains of an accordion. From the romance of Paris, we journey eastward to the neon-drenched streets of Tokyo. The city is a vibrant fusion of ancient traditions and futuristic technology. Observe the quiet grace of a tea ceremony, a centuries-old ritual of hospitality. Then, moments later, find yourself amidst the frenetic energy of Shibuya Crossing, a symphony of humanity in constant motion. And tourists alike find solace and recreation. Chapter 4. Rome, Italy. A city where history and modernity coexist in a fascinating blend. From the modern dynamism of New York, we travel back in time to the ancient grandeur of Rome. The transition is like stepping into a living museum where every corner tells a story. The Colosseum, a testament to the power and spectacle of the Roman Empire, stands as a silent sentinel. Its ancient stones whisper tales of gladiators, emperors, and epic battles. We walk in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators, imagining the roar of the crowd and the clash of swords. The ruins around us are a vivid reminder of Rome's storied past. Nearby, the Trevi Fountain beckons, its waters said to promise a return to this captivating city. Toss a coin, and legend has it you ensure your return to Rome, a city that leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. Chapter 5. Sydney, Australia. Our journey takes us now to the sun-drenched shores of Sydney, Australia. The iconic Sydney Opera House, with its distinctive sail-like design, shimmers in the harbour, a symbol of the city's vibrant arts scene. From its heights, we might catch a glimpse of Bondi Beach, where surfers carve through the waves. In the distance, the vast Australian outback beckons, a land of rugged beauty and unique wildlife.